The COVID-19 pandemic has caused extreme and parallel challenges with different implications for both men and women around the world. But as the world continues to fight the challenges posed by the pandemic, African women scientists are demonstrating their leadership in their various communities and countries. Not only are they on the front lines of the response efforts to treat and stop the spread of the virus, but they are also spearheading advances in health and safety in their roles as scientists, researchers, innovators, and communicators in ways you would never know from the media coverage of the pandemic.
My name is Joyce Ngoi. I am a molecular biologist, currently working at the University of Ghana, where I manage the next generation sequencing facility, both at the West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Diseases, that's WACCBIP, and at the Nokuchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. I knew I wanted to do something for my undergraduate studies in the line of sciences, but then I wasn't very sure which particular science I would pick to study. So there was a local newspaper that used to publish articles about sciences every Thursday, and my dad would bring the newspaper to me every Thursday. So one time they wrote about gene therapy, and it was very intriguing to me. So I chose to do a degree in biotechnology, and I loved every bit of it through my 4 years of study. I do what I do because it's very fulfilling, first of all. I get to do something that I like every day. So I come to work and I do something that I enjoy doing, and it's quite fulfilling. I also like what I do because I'm able to contribute or to make my contribution towards the society and towards the betterment of mankind, as the research that we do adds knowledge to understanding disease cause and prevention. I first heard about COVID-19 early this year, sometime in January, after there were reports of cases of pneumonia of unknown etiology, which was subsequently reported by the WHO being caused by the novel coronavirus. I'm leading the fight against COVID-19 by using a molecular biology technique called sequencing. So we carry out whole genome sequencing of the virus by compiling all the genetic information encoded within the genome of the virus. Genomes usually contain all the instruction and information about how to sustain a living organism. By sequencing the genome of the virus, we are able to understand the virus a lot better. We are able to understand how the virus has emerged, how the virus is evolving, and how it's adapting in different environments. And we are also able to understand how the virus is being transmitted or how it's spreading across the world. This information is important as it has helped us to understand the origin of the virus. It has also helped us to understand if there are any new or novel viruses that are in circulation compared to the first virus that was sequenced. By looking at how the virus is evolving, or by looking at the mutation of the virus as it tries to adapt to the host, we are also able to track the virus and understand how it's being transmitted locally. My name is Joyce Ngoi. I'm the next generation sequencing facility manager at the University of Ghana, both at the West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens and at the Nokuchi Memorial Institute of Medical Research. I led the team that sequenced the first 15 genomes of the SARS-CoV-2, which is responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic. To all the women who would like to pursue a career in STEM, I would encourage you to go for it. You will enjoy it and you will not regret it. So go for it, reach for the stars.